chronic pain, listen to this video. I used to have chronic pain and I thought I'm never gonna able to recover. But luckily, I found meditation and I found yoga. First, I needed to learn how to slow down. That was incredibly hard. I used to be a gymnast. I competed in two Olympics, 1992 Barcelona and 1996 Atlanta. So my life was about always speed and keep going and fighting and pushing and like all of this really hard work. And also after I was a gymnastics coach, a choreographer for a really long time. And chronic pain started about 8 years ago. I was 43 years old and I had no idea what to do. I first learned how to slow down. That was the hardest part. And with slowing down and sitting still and starting with meditation, it was incredibly hard the first 2 weeks, I would say. But because I felt something is slowly start changing in my body, I was keep doing it. And not just the meditation, but I was also adding very slow, very easy therapeutic exercises. I had no idea these exercises will have because when I was a gymnast, we never really did therapeutic exercises, except, of course, when I had a knee surgery or an ankle surgery and I had to go to physical therapy. I also thought, I'm paying the price now. I beat my body my whole life, so I'm paying the price to stuck in pain. But luckily, it was not the case. So I just want you to know, if you are dealing with chronic pain, there is a hope, and you need to have a mindset shift. You really need to be open-minded. First, I wasn't. First, I tried yoga and I didn't like it. Back then, I wasn't in pain, but someone recommended me to try yoga because it's so good for you. And I was just, laughing about meditation and yoga. And 10 years later, I actually decided to give another chance for meditation and yoga. And I am so grateful I did. And I'm also so grateful my personal yoga teacher who helped me so much to motivate me daily and be there. And if the pain was creeping in, sorry about that, creeping in. English has always been my second language, and now I'm also dealing with a little bit of a allergy season, so excuse my voice and my accent. But what I was saying is, I give a chance to yoga and I give a chance to meditation, and I needed to shift my mind, be open-minded, and just work with the process and celebrate every small movement. I had a chronic back pain. I also had a really stiff body. And after when I learned to slow down, meditate, and do all the therapeutic exercises, my body started loosening, pain was fading, I felt so much better, I had more energy, and I started doing the things I love again because I was stopping doing the things I love again. And I was also upset and angry. I had almost like a temper tension because, it was just really bothering me. The pain didn't want to go away. But after the whole process, finally I became more calm I wasn't angry, I wasn't yelling my poor husband or people around me because I was always in pain. I changed. I became a much better human. I slowed down and I appreciated life more than before. I became more grateful, and I decided when I healed my back to to become a yoga teacher and help others to feel better. I am also a massage therapist. So what I did, I learned fascia release when I was in massage school, and we learned self myofascial self care. So I was working a lot also uh, with a, it could be a tennis ball, but I had this little bit softer than a tennis ball. It is a yoga ball. So I work with that ball also on a fascia, just laying down after yoga and just staying on the balls for 2 minutes, 2 minutes each, really tight spots. Or sometimes I rolled a little bit and I breathe deeply. So fascia release, I could say, was also part of my recovery, but it wasn't enough. So I needed the whole package, and I also needed to focus on my whole body, not just focus on, oh, my back hurts. My back was hurting, of course. I had a fall, a really big fall when I was a gymnast, but it was not just the back, it was also a really tight hip, it was a really tight hamstring, it was also my nervous system was like, wow, so crazy, because I never learned how to calm down my nervous system. I never meditated before. I didn't even know how to take a deep breath. So that was a process. But I am so happy I did it, and I was so happy I educated myself to become a yoga teacher therapist. And since then, I helped so many women like you, probably who's watching, to feel better, to live without pain, to enjoy life again after 40 or 50 or 60. I actually had a lovely client. Usually I don't teach men, but this lovely man was a friend of mine and he begged me to please help him. He started yoga with me in age 70 from Los Angeles, and I live in Norway, and we met on Zoom twice a week. He also had homework every day, a little bit moving meditation. And when he found me, he had so bad pain all over in his body, especially his hip was hurting and his lower back. It was really hard for him to go up and down on the steps or get in and out from the car. And after working together only 3 weeks, he said his pain was 70% better. I, I couldn't believe it because this was something, wow, I can't believe it. And you went to the doctor, you did everything, medication, cortisone shots, other things. So he really tried a lot of things, even with PT. But for me, somehow, therapeutic yoga works better sometimes than PT. Of course, I'm not talking about knee or ankle or shoulder, but I'm talking about the whole body, the chronic pain, a lower back pain, a hip pain, because you're really using your breath when you are moving. So, really focusing on the breath and the movements together, and you really slowing everything down. And in physical therapy, you don't really use your breath this way like we use in yoga. So anyway, this lovely friend of mine was so happy. So we actually ended up working together for, I think, for a year and a half, because he got really into it. He became so much stronger, more flexible, energetic. And when we we started together, he also felt depressed because he was going through some really emotional stuff in his life, and the depression was also much better. Like he was a different person, and nowadays he's very happy. He learned all the exercises. He still have the videos, so he can do it whenever he wants to do it. He's going to the gym, and he's meeting up with friends. He's playing golf again, and he became a beekeeper. So this is just so amazing when I hear stories like that. And that is another story for you. This lady, she was here in Norway, and she was in bed rest for almost a year. She had a really serious stomach uh, surgery, and she also lost hope, and she was also going through menopause, and she was just really stressed out and tried many different things before she found me. And working together, and after I would say 2 months, she finally started feeling herself again. The body pain was 50% better. So we will keep working together for another 2 months, and she was really happy because she also lost weight. She told me she gained a lot of weight during being in bed. So she was very happy about it because she felt really bad about her body. But the goal was not to lose weight, but when you feel confident and you feel good inside of your body, and also you are feeling better mentally, everything can change. And I also helped a little bit how to eat, diet, and certain things. I'm not a dietitian, but I know a lot about food and anti-inflammatory diet. So we also went through that. So for her birthday, oh my god, I just wish I have a picture here, but I don't. But if I put that one woman head, because we did this picture in the coffee shop, and after we just in her birthday, looking at her now, she looked a different person, like really a different person. I'm not sure how many kilos she lost, but I think it was at least 10, 12, maybe even more. But the goal was not to be skinny, but actually she became skinny because she said she used to be in really good shape. And after working with me, she was able to enjoy life again. She was a different person. The husband came to me and thanked me so much to give her vibe back, and she's the same person, happy, confident, enjoying life, and not dealing with pain anymore. So this is another beautiful story, and when I hear this, it's just music for my ears. It's the same thing if I would win the Olympic medal. It's just beautiful, and my goal is to help many women in this planet to get out from chronic pain, and enjoy life again, because life is so short, and I know how it feels when you are in chronic pain. So thanks for listening, and I'm gonna post every week one, maybe more videos. Maybe I will do a couple of live sessions, and I just want to help you to feel better. And of course, if you are feel like you need more help, you're interested maybe on a program of mine, it's called Yoga Bliss, feel free to reach out. My email address is andreamolnaryoga@gmail.com, and my website is www.andreamolnaryoga.com. But I think you can find everything in my profile. So I'm just going to say goodbye. And one more thing before we go. I just thought about that one really celebrate every small steps. That is what I did with my teacher. We celebrated everything, every small lily success. So go slow, celebrate everything, and you're gonna feel better. And change your mindset. Give your mind a different, I don't even know what I wanna say. Just try to give your mind a facelift. I don't know. Just open your mind and give a shot, give a chance to meditation and therapeutic yoga because it is really works.